Hey guys, this is Maurice, and you're now viewing Oscellaris Lawn Care. Just wanted to go ahead and actually give y'all a little sneak peek on actually a potential customer. Actually wants a little bit of a quote on a yard. He's saying that it's at least about 3 weeks without it being cut, and it's one of his rental properties. So it's one. So as you can see right now, that's what I'm pointing at, is that debris right there. Big telltale signs. Stuff like that you want to take a picture of. So when you give a personalized quote, email it to them, so that way they can visualize what you're looking at and how much are you looking at. You see that? See the debris. Well, actually, let me go ahead and show you the whole. Let me go ahead and show you the whole entirety of this yard. Man, it's a breathful. Let me go ahead, turn this around. Woo! You can have fun back here. Funland. Like actually overgrown grass. Alright, see the grass. That's how it is. I'm almost in the mid of the grass right now. See what's up to my knees in grass. My knees in grass right now. And said he wanted a personalized quote, said he wanted to be truthful and honest. He didn't mow the property for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Yeah, I believe you. Alright. With that being said, let me go ahead and see if I can sneak past this grass. Man. Whew. Gotta show you a little bit what I was looking at, so y'all be like, man, Maurice, what you looking at? You looking so retarded when you do this. Got to step all in this just to get. You see my feet? See where I'm at? And with that, all right. With that being said, let me go ahead and show you the front. All right. On a glance at the gate. Back away. Can you fit your mower through that gate? Can't you fit your? I can fit mine. That's why we don't get 50. That's why we don't get 52s for the first mower. Just give me a hint. Alright, the other way around. Okay. Opposite. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the rest of the front yard. Major stuff needs to be done. Grass is like up to my knees right now. But when I get on this mower, yeah, you never know, I work a magic. I would imagine that, you know, anybody else. But, you know, that being said, he's gonna have to spend some money to try to get this up, and most people don't want to spend the money to try to get it up. So let me show y'all the front. Show y'all the absolute front. You know, Front Street. I got a property out here on Front Street. I'm gonna show y'all this right now. We in the front. My boy back there scary. You know, telling it's hiding up on here and there. The amount allowed. Yeah. I'm about to just weed whack this little area right here. I can see that now. Too many stomps. You know, telling how many trees is back here. I'm pretty sure it's probably about a number of trees. I never really count. I don't count this stuff. Let's see. Man. Absolutely. Yeah. This is gonna have to be ran over a little bit, but I can see potential in this property being up. See. But what others see high grass, I see opportunity. Sorry about that. I want this to be a family channel. I want this to be a family channel, so alright. Alright. That being said. Got the breeze everywhere. You got stepping. I'm stepping on. Like, that's why I say weed whack, because you see stuff like this every few feet. I just like to weed whack this. Once you see like 1 or 2, probably about 3, 4 stomps, man. Alright. God help you if you go through it with a mower. God will help you if you go through this thing with a mower. Alright. Well, that being said, this is the front gate entry. Let me go ahead and back this thing up so y'all can visually get that. I mean, man, visually get it. I mean, there's no problem for me. I see this all day and day. I tell people, man, I see this all day and day. I come up in this thing and mow this thing down. You never know the difference. Yeah, buddy. Man, this grass, I put the correct hammer time on this grass. Throw it back to him. Man, he'll be living lovely. But I got to show him that me so hungry. That's what you got to show him, that me so hungry. Yeah. Can't show up to this job like one time, motor crash down, drink a couple beers. I'm no drinker, so more power to y'all. I like to do this job and drink on the job. I don't think I get the strength. I don't even think I have a strength to even do anything. Let me see. All right. With that being said, man, the correct quotes. What would you quote this client? What y'all got? Standing in the back of me, all that grass. You got wood. Well, I'm lying here. I gotta tell them I can't move that wood, but I'm lying here, you know. That's gonna be a little extra. Yeah, basically, you know, the beat of a drum. You get these yards like you're drinking water. Man. That's my direct reaction when I go into every one of these yards. So like, it amazed me how I got it cut the first time. The first time got it cut. Like, well, like, you gotta look at the backyard, man. Look at this. I forgot to shut the gate. I gotta go back to shut the gate. All right, man. Just wanted to show y'all, you know, while I'm running through and quoting these properties and stuff, that we do get, grass will get crazy. You out here, you the weekend warrior. all of a sudden you run out of tusk. You run out of that helium. It's like that helium go. And you call one of us. See? We do it, man. This is what we do. Alright, man. Well, I'm gonna have to call this man to see what he talking about. Price range. I mean, I know my price. I'm gonna see if he can match up with mine. And if we can, you know, exchange some ways of having some extraction prices and stuff like that. We good to go. All right, well, that being said, thank you for viewing Oscellaris Lawn Care. Now, if you're a humble subscriber, please hit that notification button. And if you are a, what should I say, a newbie to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are full of surprises. My crazy ass, I'm so full of surprises. I mean, you never know what the next video might be. You might learn something off of me. I'm just saying that. Ain't no guarantee, but you might learn something off of me. All right, then. Well, with that being said, peace.